Aminos AI review. Is it a solid chatbot choice for your business? I'm going to tell you that. Aminos AI is a no-code chatbot builder with a slick drag and drop interface that lets you create chatbots in minutes for lead generation, surveys, and support. No programming needed, and it integrates with Zapier so you can automate workflows across thousands of other apps. Trustpilot users rave about the setup support, fast responses, and 99.99% uptime. Once set it, responds very fast and handles complex questions. Another appreciated the great support and solid product overall. It's also backed by an active community, helpful training, and transparent pricing from around $37 per month to agency level plans. Still, there are a few red flags. The platform is currently in beta, meaning access is limited to invites or demos, and some users reported losing inactive bots without warning since there's no auto backup or inactivity alerts. Overall, if you need a powerful yet simple AI chatbot for your business and don't mind waiting a bit for full access, Aminos AI is a contender.